Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I will discuss about how to change your Zoom background. Change your Zoom background. You might want to display in you might want to display an image or video as your Zoom background. So people cannot see the room. So people cannot see the room you are in, or just because you want to increase because you want to create a more professional image. Follow image follow our guide on how to make a custom Zoom background. How to make a custom Zoom background. On how to make a custom Zoom background. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.